Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamai Reaction. How you guys doing today? Whoop whoop. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD, and this is recommendation. This is a song, live performance, Celestial. So I'm curious to see what they're gonna be giving me. I'm trying to see when I could sit down and watch the whole hour and 29 minutes to their Rio concert and also their concert in Hollywood. And I think I also found a video when they performed for like 35 minutes, the Walmart soundtrack performance that they also did with several of their songs. So RBD, I'm just gonna say, like the CNCO fans, you guys having me working. Let's go. Oh, you guys having me working. Come on, Chris. Damn. I finally went and looked at Baby Daddy Alfonso IG page, and yes, I do have a few followers. I'm almost at 1,000 followers on Instagram because I get more active. But I really do. I went to his page finally, and that is a very good looking man. I do love my Latina men. He's a very good looking person, and I was like, oh my god, and he's aging so good too. So he's more mature, so he's more man. Never mind. Let's get back to the video. Yes. Dang, they're loud outside. Come on, live band. Woo! Yes. I would not lie though, Chris. And I will always say this. I know some of you guys laugh at me. Yes, I get it. I call Alfonso Baby Daddy and I call Chris College. But Chris, there's one reason why I call Chris College, because the earlier videos of Chris performing, he is sweating profusely. Okay? He's sweating like he's about to shower us with his sweating audience. And see him sweating on stage remind me when I was in college. And I went to a party and I had my jacket on and I was sweating so profusely. I was overflowing with sweat and I refused to take my jacket off. So when I went back to my dorm and I took my jacket off, I swear to God, it was pouring rain. I was just, so it's like every time I see him and he's so energetic and having so much fun, it just reminds me of college. If I could go back and do those years over, No, I'll go to a different school. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, 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 yes. That was RBD Perform Alive Celestial. There was a music video, thanks to the one who recommended me to react to it. But like I said before, I really do like this group. And I read an article that YouTube is like I'm gonna watch YouTube movies. Netflix is planning to do a reboot to their original show Rebelde. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna go. Also in the article it stated that a familiar face will be in this reboot. So I'm up to watch it. I'm up to watch it. So it's gonna compete with the show like Elite. Because in Elite, there is a Mexican female singer who was in there. Great singer, beautiful, gorgeous actress, talented actress. But she won't be in a new season of Elite. This is the thing with these. This is the reason why I'm very harsh when it comes to some of these artists, some of these movies and TV shows. Trust me, I'm very critical. It's very hard to get me to like something because they're not consistent. They could give us 1-2 albums, it's okay, and then the next third album is like, oh, what happened? And then the same thing with TV show. Oh, the first season, okay, the second season is like, oh, what happened? Trust me, there's a lot of stuff I've seen on Netflix, YouTube, some of these artists and stuff. I'm like, oh, that's okay. But what I've learned since I'm 28 years old, whoop whoop, almost 30, I need to do something for my birthday. I'm thinking about either go to Cancun, Mexico, or Puerto Rico, or Portugal, or France, or UK. I don't know, somewhere. I have to weird. Or I just might go to all of them that year. That's my goal. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to all those places on my 30th birthday year. So, but what was I saying? I lost train of thoughts. I need to stop drinking water. I really do. So I'm curious to see how they're gonna do this show with RBD. I'm curious. I would love for all of them to come back and do a cameo. Since Baby Daddy Alfonso wanted to focus on his acting career, well, this can do something. Yes, I do know he's in another show. I know he was in the Queen of South. I think he's in there as well. I need to rewatch that show. And also The Exorcist. Who doesn't like a good priest? What else show is he in? Yeah, I think he could do a cameo. I don't think his contract would be anything to create a complex difficulty, a complicity for him to, I'm just using these words wrong. Anything to make it difficult for him to do a cameo in this reboot, since he's focusing more on his acting career. Yeah, he could do a cameo. This could be a very good thing too, to reboot the whole group. I'm in for it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.